Hey everybody, this is Joric. Welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm an American living in Lisbon, Portugal, where I try to talk about all things Portugal, but also places that we're visiting throughout Europe and throughout the world. And this video is about a place called Symi Island in Greece and a beautiful bay called St. George Bay, which is on the island. If you're in Rhodes, Greece, or anywhere near it, a must day trip or a must-have, must-do is a ferry ride or a boat trip to the Symi Island. It takes a couple of hours to get there, but along the way, on the southern side of the island, is a place called St. George Bay. As you're seeing in photos, those are not filtered photos or videos that I'm showing right now. Amazing crystal clear water, very blue. Some of the boats look like they're floating on air. It's incredible. Many of the tours give you an hour to swim in that area, and then you make your way around to the north side of the island, which is the main village of Symi. Beautiful, picturesque. It kind of has a feel of Positano or Cinque Terre in Italy. Colorful buildings, a very beautiful place to spend some time. So if you get a chance, I highly recommend you spend a day getting a ferry or a boat to Symi Island and checking out the incredibly gorgeous St. George Bay. Thank you for watching and have a great day.